Ultimia. Poseidon E100. High-performance smart DLP projector. Unboxing. 1. Check the package condition. 2. Open the package slowly. 3. Take out the Poseidon E100 projector first, then take out the accessory box. What's in the box? Power on. After connecting the power cord, press the power button. Remote control pairing. 1. Pairing the remote control. 2. Long press, back, and home, simultaneously for 10 seconds to pair the remote. First time setup. This process has been expedited. How to switch Wi-Fi. 1. Enter the Google TV interface and select Settings. 2. Select Network and Internet and choose your home Wi-Fi. 3. Enter the password and click Connect. How to close HDR. 1. Enter the Google TV interface and select Settings. 2. Select Display and Sound, Advanced Display Settings, Dynamic Range and Color Format, Dynamic Range Format Preference, choose SDR. Autofocus. 1. The Poseidon E100 will automatically perform autofocus calibration after powering on. If it fails to focus, please set the autofocus. 2. Select Projector Settings, Projector, Focus Settings, Autofocus. How to use manual focus. Select Focus button on the remote control to adjust the sharpness. How to get a square picture. The Poseidon E100 will automatically perform the automatic keystone correction function when it is powered on, if you wish to set it. 1. Select Setting, Projector and turn off Auto Keystone. To press OK button to select the corner you want and press the navigation button on the remote control to adjust. Zoom in, out. 1. Press the Projector Settings on the remote control. Select Projector. Turn off Auto Keystone. Zoom. 2. Press the navigation button to adjust the screen size. Note, the Poseidon E100 supports 100% to 25% zoom out. How to connect Bluetooth devices. Select Projector Settings, Remotes and Accessories, add accessory, then choose the device you want to connect.
It's time to level up your game. Introducing the all-new ESPN app.
Switching from Google TV to device system interface, complete the Wi-Fi connection. iOS casting. 1. Press the up arrow key on the navigation bar to bring up the hidden menu and select AirPlay. 2. On your iPhone, open the video app and tap AirPlay in the top right corner. 3. Tap the signal Share XXXX to complete the screen casting. Notices. 1. Ensure the projector and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. 2. The projection signal changes dynamically, and each presentation is different. 3. Android screen projection is the same as Apple screen projection. Android screen mirroring. 1. A phone with multi-screen interaction can connect via built-in Miracast. 2. Turn on Wi-Fi on both the projector and your Android phone. 3. Press the up button on the remote control to bring up the hidden menu, select and enable Miracast, and then enter the Miracast interface. 4. Open your Android phone. Settings. Phone mirroring. The phone will automatically search for the projector and display its device name. 5. Tap the device name, Poseidon E100, and wait a few seconds for the projector to appear on the same screen. Notice: 1. Due to copyright restrictions, copyrighted content from Hulu, Disney+, Netflix, or other streaming services may not be shared. iOS screen mirroring. 1. Turn on the projector's Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. 2. Connect your iPhone and projector to the same Wi-Fi. 3. Press the up button on the remote control to bring up the hidden menu. Select and enable AirPlay. 4. Select AirPlay in the lower right corner of the screen, and make sure it is switched to on. Unlock your iPhone to open the control center. Tap AirPlay. The device list will automatically search for devices on the same network. 5. Select the projector you want to connect to in the device list to successfully mirror your screen. Notice: 1. Due to copyright restrictions, copyrighted content from Hulu, Disney+, Netflix, or other streaming services may not be shared. Bluetooth speaker mode. 1. Press the up button on the navigation buttons of the remote control and select BT audio. 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for the signal, Poseidon E100, and complete the connection.
Suspicious and insane. Blame me. Yeah, you made me this way.
Shortcut menu. 1. Press the projector settings button on the remote control. 2. Select picture to choose picture modes and adjust brightness or contrast accordingly. Three. Choose projector, color temperature, adjust the color. For select sound to adjust the sound mode. Five. Select power button, sleep timer, and use the up and down arrow keys to adjust the timer duration.